Say hi. Oh. This is poop time. It's always a big event. Takes about a half hour. And there's squeeze real hard. You're gonna hate me for this when you're older. Crying. I wanted to get him to. When he puts his legs up. He's pooping, yeah. Alright, well. Say hi, little munchkin. Oh, there's a big push. Say hi, little baby. Alright. Oh, you gonna roll over?